Good morning, children. This is Shabil speaking. In the previous video, we had a discussion on rational numbers, how to represent rational numbers on number line, and how to extract the numbers from number line. So we had a discussion on all those things. Today, we are going to start with almost the last portion of chapter 9, rational number. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about fill in the boxes with the correct symbol. We will be comparing the rational numbers, which is greater and which is smaller. In that, like in this particular video, we'll be discussing with negative rational numbers and positive rational numbers, and then comparisons whether they are greater, smaller, or equal. And we'll be discussing about the comparisons between rational numbers which is greater and which is smaller by taking example of some numbers as I've written over here on my copy. 2 by 3, 5 by 2, and minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 3, then minus 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. Then we're learning how to arrange the numbers, how to arrange the rational numbers in either in ascending order or descending order. So children, here is like some examples I have written over here. So the numbers are minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. There are two numbers, minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. By seeing these numbers, it's surely understandable that, as we all know that we have learned in previous classes in class 6 and as well as in class 7 in rational number in integers chapter, that every positive numbers are greater than every negative numbers in the world. Every positive numbers are bigger, greater than negative numbers. No matters the number, negative number is numerically bigger than the positive numbers, but no matters, every positive numbers are always greater than the negative numbers. But here I could have I can easily use greater than symbol. Minus 2 by 3 is greater than minus 5 by 7. But what I want you to show you the process. First, like we will be preferring to make the number into like fractions or equivalent fractions. The process is what we have learned in class 6. First, we'll make the LCM of 3 and 7. The denominators. The denominator is 7 and here is the denominator is 3. The LCM of denominator 7 and 3 is 21. 3 7s are 21. LCM is 21. So now I'll just prefer to take LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side. My number is minus 5 by 7. So equal to, I'll just put a equal to sign and I'll write take denominator 21. Because the LCM which I've got 21, I'll just write over here 21. So now question arises that when 7 turns into 21. When we multiply 7 with 3, it results 21. From where I got this 21? I got this 21 by doing LCM of 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Children, I'm repeating my word once again. By simply not doing these things, we could have used one lesser than symbol, minus 5 by 7, lesser than 2 by 3, we could have used. Because every negative numbers are smaller than positive numbers. Here, as we can see, 2 by 3 is proper fraction, positive proper fraction, and minus 5 by 7 is negative proper fraction. So positive numbers are always bigger than negative numbers. So I could have taken 2 by 3 directly, it's bigger than minus 5 by 7. But here what I'm preferring, I'm going for like fraction method because it will help you to deal with other questions. Suppose if you have two positive numbers and you have to compare which number is big and which number is smaller. In that case, it will help you to understand. So I have taken LCM of 3 and 7. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Now question arises, when 7 turns into 21, when we will multiply it by 3. 3 7s are 21, and that is what I'm going to take over here. 3 into minus 5 minus 15. 3 into minus 5 minus 15. 3 7s are 21. So my left hand side has come minus 15 by 21, and right from right hand side 2 by 3, and I'll take denominator 21 because I got it from LCM of 3 and 7 21. So when 3 turns into 21, into 7, into 7. So 7 should be multiplied with both numerator and denominator. This is what we have learned in class 6, and it was explained in in integers chapter as well. So 3 7s are 21, 7 2s are 14. So children, here is minus 15 by 21 and here is 14 by 21. So if there would not be any minus sign, suppose 15 by 21 and 14 by 21. So 15 by 21 would have been bigger than 14 by 21. But as it's holding one minus sign in front of it, so naturally it's pretty understandable that this number minus 15 by 21 is actually smaller than 14 by 21. 14 by 21 is bigger than minus 15 by 21. This is what I have used already in the box. Minus 5 by 7 is lesser than 2 by 3. Same questions over here. Minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7. So children, as we can see, both the numbers minus 4 by 7 and minus 5 by 7, both of these two numbers are holding negative sign in front of it. So I cannot compare which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Although seeing this, we can understand that if there would not be any minus sign, suppose only 4 by 5 and only 5 by 7. So naturally 5 by 7 would have been bigger than 4 by 5. As both the numbers are holding minus sign, in this case minus 4 by 5 is bigger than minus 5 by 7. Because in case of negative numbers, smaller numbers are bigger, and numerically bigger negative numbers are actually smaller. Suppose minus 1 and minus 100. Which one is bigger? Minus 1 is bigger. Because by the side of left hand side, right from 0, started from 0, every negative numbers are actually bigger. Means it descends from bigger to smaller. It goes from bigger value to smaller value. Suppose minus 1 is bigger than minus 2, minus 2 is bigger than minus 3, minus 3 is bigger than minus 4. So in comparison, minus 1 and minus 1 lakh, which number is bigger? Minus 1 is bigger than minus 1 lakh. This is to be kept in mind, children. So here, as I've got minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7, how can I compare which numbers is bigger? Again, I'll go for LCM of 5 and 7. LCM of 5 and 7 will be 35. So I'll write LHS and RHS minus 4 by 5. So LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. I'll write 35 over here. Children, when 5 turns into 35, when we multiply it by 7, so 5 7 is 35. So that is what 7 will be multiplied over here also. Minus 4 into 7, minus 28. So it is minus 28 by 35. So children, 5 7 is 35 and 7 will be multiplied to minus 4 also. Minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. Next part of it is minus 5 by 7 is equal to 35. When 7 turns into 35, when we multiply it by 5 into 5. So both the numbers will multiply it by 5 and 5. Both the numbers will multiply it by 7 and 7. So here I am multiplying 5 and 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 into minus 5 is minus 25. So children, I have got the number minus 28 and minus 35. Minus 25 by 35. Which number is bigger? Minus 28 by 35 minus 25 by 35. Which number is bigger, children? Here minus 5 minus here minus, actually it's minus 28 and minus 28 by 35 minus 25 by 35. So here, as we can see, minus 25 by 35 is bigger than minus 28 by 35. So children, here I wrote one more number, that is 0 and minus 7 by 6. Which one is bigger? 0 or minus 7 by 6? As we know, 0 is bigger than all negative numbers in the world. Every negative numbers in the world, 0 is bigger. On number line, we have understood that 0 comes on the center of number line. From 0 and right hand side, positive number starts. from 0, left hand side, negative number starts. So 0 is bigger than all negative numbers in the world. So I can simply write 0 is bigger than minus 7 by 6. So in this way, I want you to do these things, children. So here is what, which is greater is the following. Children, the same thing is given over here also. Which number is greater, 2 by 3 or 5 by 2? Very simple. We have to go for LCM and LHS and RHS process. So I'll write LHS and I'll write RHS. In LHS 2 by 3 and RHS 5 by 2. Which number is bigger? First go for LCM of 3 and 2. 3 and 2 is 6. When 3 turns into 6, into 2 into 2. 2 will be multiplied with both numerator and denominator. So I got 3 to the 6 and 2 to the 4. And here is 5 by 2. I'll write, LCM was 6, so I'll write 6 over here. When 2 turns into 6, into 3, into 3. 3 5 is 15. So children, which number is bigger, 4 by 6 or 15 by 6? Of course, 15 by 6 is bigger. So 15 by 6 belongs to 5 by 2 and 4 by 6 belongs to 2 by 3. So 15 by 6 is bigger than 4 by 6. So I got from here, it's 4 by 6 and 15 by 6. So naturally, 15 by 6 is actually bigger than 4 by 6. So children, this way we deal with such questions. And one more thing, that is what is in ascending order. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So children, very simple process. Very simple to do. First, we'll make all these numbers into like fractions. First, we'll convert all these numbers into like fractions. And then we will go for, comparisons by seeing all the like fractions, and we will arrange accordingly. The ascending order means from smaller to bigger. First, we will write the smaller number, then we will write bigger numbers. So what I want children from you all, I want you to go for the sums which I have explained today in this particular video. And from tomorrow onwards, we will start a new chapter. New chapter will be started. Perhaps I'll be giving you some assignment tomorrow, and those assignments I'll be needing, and I want you to go for that. So before we go for a new chapter, I want you to go for these things, practice of these things, and I'll be asking for the assignment in the next period. In the next period, I'll be asking for the assignments. Means whatever you are doing, you have practiced. That is what I want from you all in the next period. So children, till then, thank you so much. And all your queries and all your confusions should be dropped in Google Classroom so that I can make out who have understood or not. I'll be expecting each and every one of 7F and 7G should be practicing these things. And all your problems, all your confusions and queries will be addressed soon after the class gets over. Thank you children. Thank you so much.